Hello and welcome to Hoarding Rocks. Today we are going to be cutting and polishing the Stranka's geode. I have never done that before, so I really hope this one has something inside. Stick around and we are gonna see what it has to offer on the inside. The geode is cut. Well, let's check it out. How does it look like on the inside? Part number one. Oh, well, that looks like a thunder egg. Not really like a geode. Okay, next. Oh, I cut it just a little bit off. Well, maybe, just maybe, I should continue cutting this part. Okay, so I cut it three ways and I polish it. And let's check out the end result. We're going to start with this first side. This side was, well, agate quartzy, but looking more like a thunderhead rather than a geode. It is not what I expect from Tranca's Geode because they're supposed to be white on the inside, okay? It is pretty. It is pretty. I am not gonna complain. But the funniest thing is that I ordered two geodes. One for my friend's birthday and one for myself. And well, she's got an amazing one and I got a little skimmed, but it is still really pretty. Check out the details. Yeah, I am not going to complain, especially while something looks like this, can look like this on the inside is amazing. Now, let's go ahead and check the other part of it. Ta-da! That made me feel a lot better. I'm not sure if that's the way it was because it's been polished and now it doesn't really match, but I'm thinking that's what it is. There is two sides, and let's look at each one of them separately. This one probably would be my favorite. Look at those crystals inside. It is so pretty. I really love that it's so clean on the inside, no mud. It is really pretty, and you can see there is some of that white stuff. And this is how it looks on that other side. So yeah, I guess that's probably was matching this in this way. So that is the Tranca's geode. This is my favorite part because the crystals are just like sticking out. They're so beautiful. So beautiful. Let's check out the other side. And the other side is more like, I guess, quartz crystals still, but it is beautiful. So, yeah, we got half that was gorgeous, absolutely gorgeous. And we got a half that was still pretty, but just didn't deliver what I was expecting from it. That's my video. I will see you in the next one.